Yo, what's up, guys? And today I'm making this video on this Flarp noise putty. Let's get it open. So here's this putty. It looks really bright and peachy. Look at this. That looks weird. Watch it fall. Ooh.
Serious side effects may occur, including muscle problems if given anesthesia, slow heartbeat, fainting, more stomach acid, which may lead to ulcers and bleeding, nausea, vomiting, difficulty urinating, seizures, and worsening of lung problems. Most common side effects are headache, diarrhea, dizziness, loss of appetite.
Make some fart noise. Oops, right? Here we go. Oh, that was a fail. Oh. I'm gonna get it really close so you guys can get a good hearing. That sounds really weird. What I do, I just put my fingers in there. That makes like a mold out of it.
So how do you we always give reference and fire codes, and we also come to give them back to help those in need. Can't beat the brands, the styles.
Look at this.
We get 10% off our entire purchase. Burlington's been collecting costs for 10 years.
And then we stop it and go to
Manchester by the Sea is one of the
Does that not look satisfying?
do that. And you can connect the call from music on the
best picture, best actor Casey Affleck, and best